Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is a Irish Math Olympiad question. Find all triples of integers ABC so that ABC are length of the sides of a right angle triangle whose area equals to A plus B plus C. That means it is given in a right triangle the area is same as perimeter. So area equals to half into A into B when we take C as the hypotenuse equals to A plus B plus C. So when A, B, C are sides of a right triangle using Pythagorean triplet principle, we can write let A equals to K times of M square minus N square, B equals to twice K Mn, and C equals to K times of M square plus N square, on the condition that M greater than N greater than equals to 1 and GCD of Mn equals to 1 and K is greater than equals to 1 and all are positive integers. K, M, N all are positive integers. So if we will write the left hand side in terms of M and K, it will be, or here I can multiply A, B equals to twice into A plus B plus C. So in this equation I am putting A equals to AB equals to K times M square and minus N square into B equals to twice K Mn. If we simplify, this will be 2 times K square M into N with product M square minus N square, and RHS equals to 2 times of A plus B plus C. A is K into M square minus N square plus B equals to 2K Mn plus K into M square minus N square. So they are equal. So twice K square Mn M square minus N square equals to, right side I am simplifying, 2 K I am taking common, then within bracket will be M square minus N square plus 2 Mn plus M square plus N square. This is C was plus N square. So N square is cancelled. So this equals to twice K 2 M square plus 2 Mn. So I can cancel 2, 1 K will be cancelled, or we are getting Mn multiply M square minus N square equals to 2M. I can take common from right side, so this will be M plus N. This implies that M again cancelled, and I am factorizing left hand side M into N, M minus N. We are cancelling M because M is a positive quantity. That equals to 2 times M plus N. Again M plus N is also cancelled, but where I am missing one K here, then the left side it is K will be remained, so K into Mn. So this one, or K times of N into M plus N equals to 2M plus N. So M plus N we can cancel from both the side. M plus N is greater than 0, positive. So now we are getting K into N into M minus N equals to 2. So product of 3 quantities all are positive equals to 2. So applying Diophantine equation, concept. So product of 3 positive is equals to 2. That means it can be 1, 1, 2. 2 equals to either 1 into 2, or this can be 2 into, second case 2 into 1 into 1, or third case it will be 1 to 1. These are the possibility. So case 1, k into n into m minus n equals to 1 into 2. That means k equals to 1, n equals to 1, and m minus n equals to 2. That means m equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. This is case 1. So that time a equals to k into m square minus n square we have taken. So k is equals to 1 into m square is 3 square 9 minus n square is 1. So this will be 8. And b equals to twice k mn. So 2, k is 1, m is 3, and n is 1 again. So this will be 6. And c equals to k into m square plus n square. So this will be 1 into 3 square is 9 plus 1. This will be 10. So one triple integer we got 8, 6, 10. Now case 2. If we'll apply case 2, then k into n into m minus n equals to 2 into 1 into 1. That means k equals to 1, 2, n equals to 1, and m minus n equals to 1. Then m equals to 2. So that time a equals to k equals to 2 into m square minus n square, 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So 6. b equals to 2kmn. So 2 into 2 into m is 2, n is 1, equal to 8, and c is equals to 10. So same pair we are getting 8, 6, 10, or 6, 8, 10. Now case 3. Case 3, here it is 1 to 1. That means k n into m minus n equals to 1 into 2 into 1. That means k equals to 1, n equals to 2, m minus n equals to 1, so m is equals to 3. So a is equals to k into m square minus n square. So k is 1, m square is 3 square 9 minus 2 square 5, 2 square 4. So 9 minus 4, that will be 5. And what about b? b equals to twice kmn. So it will be 2 into 1 into 3 into 2. This equals to 12. And c is equals to k into m square plus n square. So it will be 1 into m square is 9 plus 4. It will be 13. So another triple is ABC equals to here 5, 12, 13. So there are two pair of triplets satisfying this condition. One is 6, 8, 10 and 5, 12, 13. So if we verify their perimeter is same as the area. For the first case it will be half into 6 into 8. So it will be 24, and if we take the perimeter it is also 24. In the second case, it will be half into 12 into 5. This will be 30, and its area perimeter is also 30. So they satisfy the equation. Condition. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please like and share. Thank you.